Welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video, we are going to learn the what HSTR reasonings, that is distance and directions and distance we can say. It is the reasoning part. So these type one question will be definite will be asked in the HSTR or any competitive examination based on the what distance and direction. Let us have a glance on the what distance and direction. What are the things, basic things related to the what direction and distance. Direction and distance. Direction and distance. Distance and direction, sorry. Distance and directions is the measurement. Distance and direction is the what? Measurement of position. Position of an object or a thing with respect to the what? Another one. So what we are doing here in this type of direction and distance, direction and distance is a what? It is the measurement of position. We are measuring the what position of an object with this or thing. We are measuring the what position of an object or thing with respect to the what another object or another thing we can say. In the exams, a successive series of directions. The exams, a successive series of directions is formulated, and the candidates are required to ascertain if the successive series of directions will be given in the question or formulated in the what question, and the ask to the candidate to ascertain the final direction. Here the candidate has to find the what final direction or final distance between the what 2 points we can say. This direction is the, let's say, see here, direction is the what measurement of position of one thing with respect to the what another thing. We are measuring the what position of object with respect to the what another thing, that is what direction here. Displacement. Displacement is the what measurement of distance between the initial and final point. डिस्प्लेसमेंट का मतलब जो है हमें इनिशियल पॉइंट से और फाइनल पॉइंट के बीच में का दरमियानी फासला जो मालूम करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट बोलते हैं. वी आर फाइंडिंग द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द व्हाट इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पॉइंट इज नथिंग बट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Here the candidate's ability to trace, here the candidate's ability to trace and follow the logical path correctly. The candidate must follow the what logical path correctly and sense of direction correctly and use the what the sense of direction correctly as well. Direction and distance tests mainly deals with the what two types of directions, that is main direction and cardinal direction. Here we are dealing with the what main direction or cardinal. Main directions are also called as what prime directions we can say. Prime directions. Main directions are also called prime directions. मेन डायरेक्शन को हम क्या बोलते हैं, प्राइम डायरेक्शंस भी बोलते हैं. एंड कार्डिनल डायरेक्शंस आर नथिंग बट सब डायरेक्शंस वी कैन से. सब डायरेक्शंस. So let us see what are these prime direction, main direction and cardinal directions one by one detail. The main directions or prime directions are, see here on the screen, the main directions. Look at here, this is the north direction, north, east, south, west. These are the what main directions or prime directions we can say. The north, this is the what right and this is what left. This direction is what right and this is what left from the what north. And from the east, upper side is what left direction and downward is what right directions we can say from the east. From the south, this is the what left direction in this direction and this is what right direction this way. And again this is what from the west left direction and from the west upper direction is what right direction. Observe here, directions of left and right, east and west are what opposite here. These are the what opposite. If it is left here means what here is the what left. If it is right here downwards means what right is what upward we can say. In the same manner in the north and south also the directions are opposite, turns are opposite. Right turn and right turn, left turn is, and these two directions are what opposite. And one more important thing, sun rises from the what east. Sun rises from the what east and sun sets on the in which direction is what in the west direction. Remember this one. These are the what main directions we can say. Now come to the what cardinal direction or sub-directions. The cardinal direction or sub-direction, direction between the two main directions. Listen carefully here. Direction between two main directions. Direction between the what two main direction. Direction between the what two main direction is called cardinal direction or sub-direction. Clearly, there are the four cardinal directions are there. NE means what? Northeast direction. NW means what? Northwest direction. SE means what? Northeast direction. SW means what? Southwest direction. These are the what four sub directions or cardinal directions. So look at here the direction between the two main direction. These directions are always lies between the what two main directions. See once see diagrammatically how these are. Here this is the north between north and east. Between north and east, northeast will be there. Between east and south, southwest is there. These are the what main directions we can say. Next, between north and west, northwest direction is there. Between south and west, southwest direction is there. So always the sub direction or cardinal directions are lies between the two main directions we can say. So each of angle is what here 40 degree, and this angle is what 90 degree we can say. This is what 45 degree, 45 degree. This is totally is what 90 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This is what total 90 degree and 45 degree, 45 degree, and total this is what 90 degree. Yes, I hope you clear this the concept. Next, the change in direction when a person or a vehicle takes a right turn or a left turn. Direction before taking the turn. Look at the column first here. Direction before taking the turn. If before taking the turn, the direction of a person or a vehicle is what north. Direction in which the person or vehicle will be moving after taking the turn. If from the north, if he take the right turn, then he moves to the what? North is what in this way. He take the right turn means what? East direction. From left means what? Left means what? West direction. From north to what? West direction. Yes. From the south, south is what? In this direction. If you take right turn means what? Right turn. From the south to right. This is what? Right means what? West direction. Left means what? East direction. Right means west direction. Left means east direction. Next, from the east, from the east, just see here, from the east, the right turn is what? East is what? In this direction, east. If you take a right turn in the east means you will move to the what? The south direction. If you take a left turn from the east means what? You will move to the what? North direction. Yes. From the west, west means what? In this direction. Take a right turn means what? North direction. Is north. Take left turn from the east means what? South direction. These are the what right or left turn before after taking a turn. Direction before taking the turn, after taking the turn, in which direction the person or vehicle is moving. So next see here. So let us solve the what problems. Which type of the question will be appear? So type 1, finding the direction only. Yes. Look at the first problem on your screen. It is there. Here, Tina drives 45 kilometers towards the east. See here, we know the what these are the what four directions. First draw the to solve any problem. First you have to draw the what basic directions. This is the north, south, east, west. Tina drives 45 kilometers towards the east. East means in this direction. Yes. So look at here how to solve this one. Tina is drives the east direction. How much kilometer it is? 45 kilometer. Tina drives the what? 45 kilometer in the what? East direction and turns right. Here and one more thing, left, right, left, right. We have to remember left, right direction, left and right. And she takes the turn. In which direction she takes after the 45? He takes the right. She takes right turn. Right turn means what? From east to right means what? Below. And moves the what? 65 kilometer. He moves what? 65 kilometer and then turns left from this. What is the turn left here? It is what? South direction. From this direction means what? Turn left means in this way. And take turn left and drives the what? 33 kilometer. Its initial point. Here Tina is what? Initially here. This is the what? End point. In which direction she is facing now? Now she is in which direction? So which direction it is? See here. This is what? Now north, south. This is what? West here. This is what? East. So option A is correct. She is facing the what? She is facing east direction. She is facing east direction. Tina is facing. Tina is facing east direction. East direction. In this manner, we have to solve the what problem by taking the left and right turn concepts. I think you got the idea about this problem. So let us take one more problem. One morning, Rita started to walk. Rita is started to walk in the morning. One morning started to walk towards the sun. She started walking towards the sun. After walking toward the sun means what? Sun rises from the what? East direction. That is what towards the sun we can say. So write once again the basic directions here. Draw the basic directions first. This is east. As I told you, sun rises from the here, north, south, west. Yes. Tina start walking towards the what? Sun. Towards the sun means what? Sun is rising in the morning in the east direction only. Yes. Towards the what? Starting point. She is what? She is walking. Yes. After that, what she did? See here. After walking a while, she turned to her left and again to her left. She turned left. She turned left. She turned left means what? See here. This is left, right, left, right, left, right direction, left and right. In this manner, we have to remember the directions. We first walk towards the what? Sunrise. Sunrise means what? In the east direction. And she take from east to left turn means what? Upper side we can say. She take the what? Turn left and moves in the in this direction. And again she take the what? Left turn means this is what? North direction. Again she takes the what? Left turn. After walking a while, she again turn right. The right turn from the east means what? Upper side. Yes. This is west direction. From west, right means what? Upper side we can say. Which direction she is facing now? So this is which direction? This is the what? North direction. North direction she is facing. Option C is correct. See here. She first walk towards the what? Sunrise and take the left turn means what? She move to the what? North side. Again she take the what? Left turn means she moves to the what? West side. From this she take the what? Right turn means what? She moves to the what? North direction. So the option C is correct. She is facing the what? Rita is facing north direction. Rita is facing नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. रीता जो है नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में जा रही है. यस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A located to the west of B and C is located at the north in between A and B. D is exactly to the south of B and also in the line with B. In which direction of C is D located? Yes. Yes. See here. A located to the west of B. So first A is located in the west of what B? West means in this direction. B is here in the what? East direction. Yes. A is located in the west of what? B means B must be in the what? East direction. Yes. This is east direction. B is in the east direction and A is what? In the west direction. Yes. And A is located to the west of B. This statement is completed. And C is located at the north between A and B. Between A and B means what? At the north. North means what? Here. C is located at the what? North and between A and B. Between means what? In the middle of A and B. D is exactly to the south of B. Exactly. D is what? Exactly to the south of B. South means what? In this direction. D is south. In the what? South. D is exactly to the south of B. South of B. D is exactly in the what? South of B. In which direction of C? He is asking the direction with respect to C. C means what? C here, this one. With respect to C means in this direction. Which direction it is? Here, this one is what? East, west. This one is what? South. This one is what? North. So this is what? In between here is what? B. D is the what? East of B. D is the what? East of B. But with respect to C, what is the position of D here? Southeast. Southeast direction. Here with respect to C, in which direction it is here? From this here. From this it is in the what? With respect to C, it is in the which direction? Southeast direction. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Yes. Next, Asha walks 3 kilometers southward. Asha is walking here. He walks. Asha walks south means what? In this direction. Towards the what? 3 kilometer. In the what? South direction. Here Asha starts from this point. This is what? Initial point. Yes. Write the what? Sub directions here first. Main directions. Sorry. Prime directions or main direction we have to draw. So this is north. This is east. This is south. This is west. Left, right, left, right, left, right, and left and right. Now she is facing in the what? South direction. She walks the what? Southwards and then turns the right. Right means what? Here. It turns here, the right direction, and walks the what? 2 kilometer. And she walks the what? 2 kilometers. She again take a right turn. She again take a right turn. Aisha is initially in the what? South direction. After taking the right turn, she moves to the what? In the west direction. Then after the west direction, from here she again take the what? She again turns right and walk 3 kilometers. She again turns right. Right direction means what? Downwards of the what? West. And right walks the what? 3 kilometers. Downward means again it is what? In the what? South direction she is. Yes. Next read the statement. Her left and turns towards her left and start walking straight. And finally she takes the what? Left turn from the south means she start walking the what? Straight means what? She takes the turn and start walking in this way means what? This is the what? East direction. We can say. This is what? East direction. East or west direction. See here in which direction she is walking now. Once again, see here Asha walks the what? 3 kilometers towards the what? South. He walks the what? South and takes the what? Right turn and moves to the what? In the west direction. Again takes the what? Right turn and walk the what? 3 kilometers. After the right turn, she took the what? Left turn and start walking here. Yes. In which direction she is moving now? Once again, I got confused here. Look at, once again, we will solve this problem. So look at, we will solve. Once again, I got confused in here. So Asha walks the what 3 km first. From here to here, it is what 3 km. Yes, in the what south direction. Now she takes the turn. Which turn? She takes the what? He then turns right and walks 2 km. Turn right means in this direction. Walk the what 2 km. Next, after that, again she took a right turn. Left, right. I got here only. I did the mistake here only. See here, we have to take the what right turn upward direction that I have taken previously in the what downward direction. So please make it the correction here. She take the right turn means what here? She goes with the what up in again in the what 3 km. Again she moves the what 3 km. Then finally 3 km and turns towards her left. Left means from this now this is what north direction. From north direction she takes the what left turn means in this direction and start walking. He started walking continuously. Which direction it is? It is west direction. Option D is correct. Option D is what? Correct. She start walking towards the what? West. In which direction she is walking now means she is walking in the what? West direction. Yes, she is walking in the what? West direction. Now next one. Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. Deepa moves a distance. Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters. First draw the sub directions. Here these are the what sub directions we can say. To solve any problem on left to left and right turn, we have to draw the what first these main directions and their turns. Yes, north, south, east, west. Here left, right, left, right, left, right, left and right. Remember this one. Start from the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. In this manner, we have to remember the what? The turns. Yes, Deepa moved 75 meters towards the north. Here, 75 meters towards the north. Deepa is here. Assume that Deepa is here. We moved the what? 75 meter towards the what? North. 75 meters towards the what? North. Deepa is here from initial point. Yes. Next, after that, read the statement. He then turned to the left. To the left means in this direction. She turned left and walked for 25 meters. She again walked the what? 25 meter. Turn left again. Left means what? Again downwards here in this way. The left of this direction is what? Downwards and walk the what? 80 meter. Here first Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. She then turned to the what? Left and walked for about 25 meters and turn left again and walk the what? 80 meters. Finally she turned the right. Here finally she turned the what? Right. She turned the right at an angle of 45 degree. She turned the right from this point. What is the right here? Right of this position is what? Here he turned the what? At an angle of what? 45 degree. From this is what? Angle is what? 45 degree. Now which direction she is facing? In which direction was she moving finally? In which direction she was? After 45-degree turn, she is walking again continuously. Which direction she is walking means what? Which direction it is? See here. This one is from here only I will draw the what? This is the what? South direction. Yes. This is east, west, and this is what north. She has taken from the south 45 degree. She rotated the what at an angle of 45 degree and start walking. This direction lies between the what two main direction, west and south. Between west and south is what southwest is there. Is there any option C here? Southwest. Option E is correct. Southwest direction. She is moving to the what? In the southwest direction. Yes. Next question. Point F. Yes. Point F is 10 meter to the south of E. So first draw the what? All the directions, basic directions. We can say sub direction, main directions or prime direction. This is the what? East, west, north, south. Yes. Read the question now. F is 10 meter to the south of E. To the south of E. Yes, E is a 10 meter. F is 10 meter to the south of E. Means E must be what in the north position. This is E and this is what F. F is what 10 meter. Yes, 10 meter. Once again, I will draw the what this diagram in the because it will require the more space to draw the diagram. Yes, here read the question carefully. F is 10 meter to the south of E. To the south of E, draw this diagram. See here, E must be in the what? North, and this is what F is in the south of. This is F. That is 10 meter. G is 3 meter to the east of F. East of F. East means in this direction. That is G. Is what 3 meter. Yes. Yes. After that, to the east of F. To the east of F. The east of F. Point H is 5 meter. East of F. To the east of point G is 3 meter to the east of F. Yes. Point H is 5 meter. Point H is 5 meter to the south of G. South of G is what? Below here. South of G is what here? Below. That is 5 meter H. That is what? 5 meter. Yes. Read the question. 3. Point I is a 6 meter. Point I 6 meter to the west of H. West of H means in this direction. Yes. This is I 6 meter. Yes. Point J is 10 meter to the north of I. 10 meter to the north. North means in this direction. Point J is 10 meter to the north of I. North of I. Point K is 6 meter to the east of J. East means in this direction. This direction 6 meter. Point I is what 6 meter. Sorry, point K is what 6 meter. Get here K is what 6 meter. Once again I will draw to the what in this direction. This is point K. Yes. Point K. Then point K is 6 meter to the east of J. J is here. Its east is what in this direction. It is what 6 meter. Yes. And the last point L is 5 meter to the north of K. Point L north of K means what in this direction 5 meter. Yes. Which of the following represent the direction of G? Direction of G. Where is G here? G is here. With respect to the what? J. With respect to the what? J. J is here. With respect to J, it is clear from the diagram that the direction of G with respect to point J is what? Here. Once again, this is what here? J, and this is what here? Point J is here. With respect to this direction means here, this direction. Position of G with respect to what? J. Which direction? See here, we will draw this one. This is what? North. This is south. This is east. This is west. Yes. Suppose J is a north, south, east, west. G is here with respect to what? J. This G is lies between the two main direction, that is south and east. So the option is what? Southeast. Option A is correct. Southeast direction. The position of G with respect to J is what? Southeast. I hope you got the what? Clear picture of this one. Yes. Next, Shahrukh start driving from a point A and drives 12 km towards the north. He takes a right turn and drives the what? 20 km. He now drives the 8 km after taking a left turn. Finally, he takes a left turn and drives the what? 20 km and stops at the point B. So options here, options are not there. So write the options here. I have not typed these options. Yes, write the options. Option A, point B, and towards which direction? Still the question is incomplete. This one is, write the question, towards which direction? Towards which direction does Shahrukh moves Shahrukh move before stopping at point B? Before stopping at point B. At point B. Write the options. Northwest, option A, northwest. Option B, south. Option C, southeast. And option D, west. Option D, west. Shahrukh start driving from point A and drives the 12 km towards the what? North. North means Shahrukh is here. Shahrukh is more. Now the prime directions or main directions we can say east, west, north, south. Yes. Get the problem here. North. Shahrukh start. Read the question. Shahrukh start driving from a point A. This is what point A. This is what point A. Start driving from the point A and drives 12 kilometer. 12 kilometers towards the what? North. Here. 12 kilometer towards the north. He takes a right turn and drive 20 kilometer. And one more thing. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. He start drive 12 kilometer first and takes the what? Right turn means in this direction and walk towards the north. He takes a right turn. He takes the what? A right turn. Again he takes the what? A right turn and drive the what? 20 kilometer. He drives the what 20 kilometer. He now drives the what 8 drives 8 km after taking a left turn. Here first he is going to the what 12 kilometer and takes the right turn and moves the what 20 kilometer. Then again takes the what left turn. From the left means here it is what 8 kilometer, and again right to the what 20 kilometer means in this direction. Is a question here. Shahrukh starts from the point A and drives the what 12 kilometer towards the north. He takes a right turn and drives the 20 kilometer. Takes the right turn and drives the what 20 kilometer, and he now drives the 8 kilometer after taking a left. After taking a left means what in this direction, that is what 8 kilometer, and after taking left turn finally takes the left turn and goes to the what 20 kilometer again and stop at the point what B. He stop at this point, that is what B. He started journey from the point A. He goes to the what first in the north direction, that is 12 kilometer, and takes the what left direction and takes the what sorry right direction, takes the turn in the right and goes to the what 20 kilometer means in this direction, and again takes the what left from this direction and walk the what 8 kilometer. Finally after taking a left turn again he takes to the what left turn and walk the what 20 kilometer and reach the point B. Yes, towards which direction does the Shahrukh move before stopping the point B? बिफोर स्टॉपिंग द पॉइंट बी, यहाँ पर आकर रुकने से पहले कौन से डायरेक्शन में टर्न ले लिया शाहरुख ने? इट इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द डायग्राम द शाहरुख इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. टुवर्ड्स द व्हाट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. कहाँ पर मूव हो रहा था शाहरुख? वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में. तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. बिफोर टेकिंग ए टर्न कहाँ पर जाते हैं? नो, वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. So the option D is correct. So in this video only this much. So in the next video again we will go to the what the next concept, that is direction based on the what rotation, based on the shadow, based and direction and distance based on the what Pythagoras theorem. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and give the comment if you have any doubts and any suggestions. So in this way I am going to upload the what the reasoning videos and as well as mathematics videos for the what HSTR exam preparation. Be with my channel and learn the things from me, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much.